Mr. Speaker, I say thank you, and I want to thank the Honourable Member for asking this question. Mr. Speaker, so these are the annual reports that are under spotlight. 2016 half-year report, then 2016-2017, then 2017-2018, then 2018-2019, and 2019-2020, and 2020-2021. 2016 half-year report has been presented to Parliament. 2016-2017 is with Cabinet. 2017-2018, it's with Cabinet. 2018-2019, it's with printers. So from printers, it will come to Cabinet, Cabinet to Parliament. Okay, once again. So 2016 half year, it's with Parliament. I think it came back from the committee. 2016-2017, it's with Cabinet. From Cabinet, it will come to Parliament. 2017-2018, it's with Cabinet. Probably it will come on Tuesday to Cabinet and then come to Parliament. 2018-2019, it's with printers. From printers, it will go to Cabinet, Cabinet to Parliament. 2019-2020, report is done. We are waiting for the audited report from Office of Auditor General. 2020, you don't know what's Cabinet doing.
Order.
There you go. They don't know what Cabinet is doing. 2020-2021, the report is ready, but we will have to wait for the report from Auditor General. That will take time because the year just finished a couple of months ago. So we are up to the mark now. Thank you.